What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to hook up a label printer to your eBay account so that you can print your shipping labels. It's faster, it's cheaper, it looks more professional. It is one of the first investments that you need to make into your business. The challenge has always been you need one that isn't overly expensive. So I have teamed up with a company called MUNBYN. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video and sending me one so that I could show you exactly what it takes to hook this up and get ready to print a label. So this video is going to focus on that. We've got this thing right here. That is the MUNBYN printer, and I'm going to show you everything it comes with. Of course, it comes with the printer, and I'm going to show you how that hooks up. It comes with the power cables that you're going to need, and it comes with a USB cord. So even though this is Bluetooth compatible, you can plug it in directly to your computer as well. So it works as both. Probably what I like best about this, just from the start, is this thing right here. This is a stand which holds the rolled paper underneath. And they've sent me some of those to work with. Typically, you have this right here, the fan fold style, which means that these need to be installed behind your printer, or you have to build something to have them underneath it. So I'm thinking that this MUNBYN might actually take up less desktop space. Let's get this hooked up to the computer and get started. It does come with the cord to hook it up to the computer. I already have a printer cord of mine hooked up, and to keep me from running a cable, I'm going to plug mine in, and then we're going to look and see what the computer tells us as soon as we plug this in. So putting in the paper and getting that set up was really straightforward. It comes with its own USB to hook everything up and download the drivers. And I'm going to click on this right here. This opened automatically, and an exe file is going to be the software to run it, to install it. And it may look a little bit different if you're installing it on an Apple product. Now let's open devices and printers. All right, so we're going to open something that needs shipping, and I'll blur out the customer's name, but let's get a shipping label and see if it's ready to go. So we're going to purchase that label. We're going to click on print, and now you will see that this IT printer is a choice, and let's see if this will print a label. And just like that, I'm able to print a label. So as far as hookup ease goes, there's just a few steps. One, unbox it, of course, get it all plugged in, get your paper set up, and then you need to make sure that you install the software, the drivers for it, so that your computer recognizes it as a printer. Once you've done that, then when you go into eBay and you get ready to print your label, you should be able to go up and find that specific printer so that you can print it. This was super easy to hook up. This does have Bluetooth technology. And let me explain what that will do for you. If you're going to operate from your phone, you should be able to connect and find it with your phone. So my phone is recording. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick and let's see if we can print a sample label through Bluetooth. So we're gonna install the MUNBYN app onto our phone to give us even more flexibility with how we print, where we print from in the house. So this should just take a minute. All right, we have the P130B, I believe. We're going to connect to that. And now it is linking the app to the printer. And there it is. It should be set up. And now it shows that I can print. I can control the density. So let's set the speed at 2 and set the density all the way up and see what the label looks like. Just like that. Super dark, nice looking label. So even running through the app, super easy to use. I will say, if you've ever spent any time at all hooking up printers, that's the scary part. Just getting it installed where you can actually print anything. And in real time, let's see, my camera says that I've been recording for 23 minutes, but that includes all of the times that I've had to stop and try again and figure out exactly where I want to put it and me putting the thing together. So my entire time with filming was 23 minutes. It wouldn't even be half of that if I were just setting this up and not trying to figure out what I'm going to say to the camera. So I truly think the MUNBYN is worthwhile. I want to thank them again for sponsoring the video and making an installation like this possible, because it's hard for me to do without this sitting here. I will have a link for this in the description if you're interested in this printer. The steps for this are kind of specific to this one, although there's probably some carryover. But this was as easy as it gets. I've never brought them to you, but I have tried other Bluetooth printers that have been sent to me that I couldn't ever get to work with both the computer while it's plugged in and on my Bluetooth. And I'm just not going to recommend something like that you can't actually use regardless of what you're doing. So this one, I can work up here and print my labels, but Melody could be downstairs and shipping something, and she can also print her label. So that's huge. I really like the Bluetooth capability. I like being able to print from my phone in case my computer's down. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.